Campers Dustin here with Pine Acres RV in Stewiacke, and I got one of the best park models here to show you. This is the 25th anniversary 2024 Cedar Creek Cottage 40CCK. This unit is beautiful. It's a park model. We'll park it anywheres for you here in Nova Scotia. It also has Vixenite slide floors, which are a super awesome feature, and a sliding door. What more to love? Big, large awning, LEDs underneath that, and 2 entrances. Come on inside, guys. I'd love to show you. Now I'm sitting down on this beautiful, comfy, large king-size bed. Storage up over top of that. You do have little nightstands, but they're also kind of shades for the windows. You've got some phone charging up there, as well as up in that cubby hole. Over here, we have a unit comes with a vacuum cleaner and a Wi-Fi extender, which is super nice. Cabinets up there, which I cannot reach to show you. Over here, we are prepped for a washer and dryer. You can live in this thing if you wanted to. Some more storage beside that, of course. And one of my favorite features is this lifts up hidden storage. Me personally, I'd toss my wallet and keys in there at the end of the night. His or hers drawers underneath. And you get a TV with a ceiling fan, an AC, and a heater right there on the wall. I'm going to sneak past you guys here. Hold this door open for you. And we come straight into our master bathroom. One-piece fiberglass shower. Love the LED accent light there. New and improved shower heads. Wish I had that. All kinds of extra ceiling height, but you don't need it. Nice vanity, solid surface countertops. We do have a beautiful medicine cabinet. More storage underneath. And a porcelain toilet with tons of floor space and a pocket door. Check that out. Alright, guys. Sliding door, like I said, we do have some shades. They're not hung, but they will be hung when you purchase the unit, of course. Right here, we have all of our unit controls with some extra storage and a little coat hook. Little coffee area here. Tons of storage above. Pull-out drawers. I mean, check that out. Wow. Fantastic fan up above there. I just noticed that. And a huge double door fridge with 2 freezers underneath. What more could you want? Beautiful large kitchen. One-piece solid surface countertops here. Beautiful faucet with our one-piece stainless steel sink. Tons of counter space over here to cook, you know. Up top, tons of storage. More storage over here. Cups and plates. Beautiful oven. 3-burner stove. And a residential microwave. Alright, we'll close this up, guys. This is probably one of my favorite features. We will have a TV here when we sell this unit, so don't worry about that. You have a pull-out drawer here for your remotes, a fireplace that will keep you warm on those chilly nights, and if you didn't think we had enough storage, check this out. Wow. Beautiful. Just behind me here, we do have a couch that will pull out to a bed. We have tons of windows around that, day and nighttime shades on this unit. Over here, we have theater seating directly across from the TV. We have another little storage nook, some cup holders, and these are electric, and you can charge your phone. Over here, with our dinette, we have 2 chairs and a bench on one side that will extend like so. So you have a table, a longer table, and then you have a pull-out cutlery drawer. Super, super neat feature. Right here, we have a pop-up breakfast nook. Put that over, and you can put some extra stools here, or even use it as a serving area if you wanted to. Alright, guys, so if you like all that, come on down to Pine Acres Stewiacke, exit 11. I strongly encourage you to check out this unit. You will not be disappointed. Also, keep an eye on our website at www.pineacresrv.com. See you then.